Hi there kids, meet Bravo and Juliet. They're going to show you how to keep safe. It's always important to wash your hands after going to the toilet and before you eat. But at the moment there's a nasty bug going round and it makes sense to take extra care. Bravo's a good boy. He's using plenty of soap to wash his paws for at least 20 seconds. Be sure to get between the fingers and around the thumb. And make sure you dry carefully. We also have to take extra care in the kitchen so we don't pass on any germs to others. Juliet is washing her hands carefully before she has her lunch. When you're out and about, it's fine to stay close to people you live with. But if you see a friend, you must stay at least 2 meters apart. Thanks for watching. Bravo and Juliet are pleased they helped. If parents want more advice on staying well, then they can visit nhs.uk.